Monitor has moved. We are now sitting on the gov.uk website. All of the information you need is still available, and we're going to show you how to find it now. In order to locate us, you have several options. First, this is our new web address. Alternatively, you can come to the main gov.uk site, enter Monitor, and then just select us here. Whichever option you choose will bring you to the main homepage. Starting here, we have a short list of the most popular information. These are similar to the headings that you would have seen on our old site. The information features in several collections and includes sections on foundation trusts, NHS commissioners, independent healthcare providers, and NHS trusts. If it's recent information you're looking for, just come down to the latest section here. And to see everything we've been publishing, click See All. You can also subscribe to our email and RSS feed updates in this section. These handy links allow you to follow us using all of the options out there, and getting in touch with us is even easier than before, with these clear sections showing you how to contact us depending on your query. The Documents section is another great way of keeping up with what Monitor is doing. With documents on announcements, publications and consultations, you can see the most relevant and timely information on all of these. On gov.uk you can search for content in several ways. For example, by clicking on the links under Documents, you can refine your search option results. See here, you can click on Announcements and then refine to News Stories published after the 1st of May this year. Alternatively, you can come to the main gov.uk site. Let's use the example of annual reports. As you can see, all organisation results feature on this search. If you would like to refine it just to Monitor, all you need to do is click Monitor under the Organisation section. One final point is that all information from our old site will still be available to you. If you enter a current link, you'll be redirected to the new site, or if you enter an older link, you'll be redirected to the National Archives. So that's a tour of the site. If you have any queries, just get in touch with us here or tweet us at Monitor Update.